All right, I'm glad you called.
All right.
So you ready for this?
Sure.
You know how it's done, right?
All right. Yep.
All right, so grab our tortilla.
Okay.
Man, these things are huge.
Yeah, tell me about it. It's my turn.
Whoa!
Hey, Tony, catch.
Hello?
Hey, I'm ready to shoot the tortilla challenge.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, let's do that. All right, so this is how,
All right.
okay.
What was I doing wrong?
I,
It's a good reaction.
hello. Dang it, I didn't get on speaker loud fast enough. One more time. Whoa. Ah!
I'm gonna try it one more. Just one.
Without the tortilla.
What did you do?
Maybe not. Recorded.
That was my best one. Hello?
Hey, I'm ready to shoot this. Shoot what am I shooting?
I'm ready to shoot the tortilla challenge. Or just, I'm burning up. Hello? Well, like, get low.
All right.
Like, just get low, like. Are we close enough? All right.
I don't know what I brushed there, but I got something.
Okay, maybe don't hit me too hard. All right.
Well, now I'm pulling back.
Flat on the chin.
All right, here we
All
go.
right, ready? Okay, I moved
You
because I'm
moved.
scared.
I whiffed on that one.
All right. Oh, this is gonna have good bloopers. All right. Okay. This is gonna suck. All right. I'm ready.
Maybe close your eyes.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
That was nothing. You did that on purpose.
I did that. All right.
All right. Ready? Because I gotta jump too.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Ready.
We got it this time. Ready? One.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna
right.
rip this off.
I think we
pretty
got
darn
it.
close.